Good news, everyone! A free H.A.L.O pack update is now live for both the free and pro versions. This is version 1.1 and you can grab it by re-downloading the pack from my Ko-fi page. This small update focuses on two minor UX improvements. First is the change in the transform gizmo. Before this update, when you try to move a H.A.L.O object in the scene window, you will quickly notice the object will snap back to the location set in the transform field. Yes, it might not be a big deal since you can just drag the X, Y, and Z letter in the transform field to move the object, but it's still quite annoying. No worries, in this update, you can now rotate and scale directly in the scene window, but position is a bit different. Notice this little toggle button. By default, this button will be in F mode for field values, which means you can't move the object in the scene window at all. If you press this button, it will turn yellow and change to the G mode for gizmo. Now the field value disappears and you can move the object freely in the scene window. Press the button again, and now that position is locked and we're back to field mode. Keep in mind that if you didn't press the button again and just click on another object in the hierarchy, the object will reset back to its previous position. Second change in this update is the new property in the anchor object called offset position. Now you can move the anchor away from the body part of the character. This property gives you a bit more freedom on where you can place your anchors. And it can also change how the wobble physics work. You can now create a halo that hangs from the top of the character. As always, I recommend testing it out and see if this setting will help you. If not, you can leave it as 00. And that's pretty much it for this update. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. And with that, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.